Okay, so I had to restart the recording because my dad walked in. Guess this is a new video now. So, I died. I found a new cave. It had lots of lava. Don't worry, I didn't fall in it. But a creeper snuck up behind me. There was lava in front of me. There was water behind me. And, I, if I ran forward, I would have gone in the lava. If I ran backward, it would have exploded faster, I guess. But so I just I didn't think it would kill me, but it did. Um, so I gotta start over. I do have a new goal, and that is to make a house and put a bed in it so that I have a respawn point. Apparently I need food too. So I heard some pigs over here, yep. Okay. So we're just gonna restart. It's fine. Just look for where the sun is. If it's about to set, oh my gosh. Okay. Just starting to lag a little. Okay. Oh my gosh, no, don't lag. Seriously, I need to hurry. Ugh, hold on, I gotta use my mouse. I'm using my trackpad. Is this too high? I think it's a little too high. I can't run. That kinda sucks. It's too high when I'm lagging. It's perfectly fine now. No seeds. Just eat this now. Come on. Oh, come on. It's so laggy. And this is a good computer too. I don't know why it lags. I don't even have viruses on this computer. Well, I'm sure there's like mini viruses, like MINI viruses. But oh my gosh, please hurry. I don't have enough time. I just needed to get this beef. The beef monster. Come on, beef mon. Thank you, beef monster. I can use this leather to make books, but that's gonna be a long time. A long time ago, I would actually start out getting leather armor. Yeah, that's not right. That's not right at all. That was when I was much younger. That was like, I don't know, I was pretty young. Um, so just need to hurry up. I'm probably gonna. I don't have no, I don't have anything. I'm just gonna stop with that much. There's some sheep over there. That's actually a perfect amount if I just. Ugh. Just... No, please go away, bro. Why didn't I hit it? It's like I'm. Oh shoot, those skeletons are gonna get me. I'm just gonna. I really need a bed. I really need. Oh, jeez, I suck at just walking. Nope, 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 nope. Thank goodness this isn't on hard mode. I can't run much longer. Yeah, I'm out of run juice. I think I'm just gonna dig a hole here. I don't want to mine. I'm scared the same thing will happen or something. I don't want to do this. Hold on. I'm gonna wait till it's day and then I'm gonna get back to it. Alright, so it's daytime now. Like it just got daytime. I saw the stars. Oh, jeez, I thought. Hi there, buddy. That scared me. Okay, I can run a little. No, you killed me last time. Don't do it again. I didn't even see the creeper, I swear. Like, it just came up behind me and just bombed me. I looked down there. It was like a, what's it called? Oh my god. It's not a mine shaft, it's a ravine, jeez. Thank goodness those are only... I'm gonna kill your mom. I'm a mom killer. I need to use my mouse. I need to get used to using my mouse. Sorry, not sorry, bro. This is your new superhero story. Wait, does it even work with different types of wool? Oh god. I don't think so. Oh wow, I broke all the grass there. Didn't hit the sheep once. Perfect. Okay, hold on. Just... I know that's kind of a waste. Whoa! Okay, I've never seen a honeybee in survival mode. Whoa, it's got like pollen and stuff. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. I swear to God, if you fall, there's two of them. I didn't even see that second one. It's right there. I'm just gonna scan for Enderman because I know they're always out in the morning. Okay, I don't see any. I'm just gonna eat more of this. Ah, whatever. We'll get more food. That'll be fine. I don't want to run because that'll take up more. I want to kind of heal up. Oh, great. It's already undone. Well, just gonna make a crafting table, make a bed, and then I'm gonna get some tools so that I can get boring stuff like, well, not boring stuff, it's just it's the necessities, tools. Jeez. Go to the lower ground so that I can actually find stone. Okay. I don't... Okay, I'll put this here. Why did I put that there? I don't know. Ooh, my lights just flickered. I don't know. It's the sign of the end of the world. Okay, oh my gosh, it keeps on happening. It's like it's trying to give me a seizure. No, it's too late. Oh my gosh. Okay, good. I'm gonna waste this stupid wooden pickaxe now. Oh, not the lag. Not again. I'm not gonna be able to get out. Oh my gosh, I didn't even press the forward button. Okay, I think that's enough. Oh, stop flickering. Okay, just gonna put this down again. Stop flickering. It's kind of weird. I'm gonna get two necessities, this guy, and, well, three, I guess. Oh wow, I don't have any. Bro, I'm so thankful for, like, just the fact that you can make 4 torches with 1 stick and 1, what is it, coal. Thank God for that. Oops, I should have used my axe. If it wasn't, if that wasn't a thing, then, bro, that would be so annoying to get, torches. Okay, I'm trying not to find trees that are too tall. I don't know how much wood I have because it's in my inventory. Right, that's your hotbar, right? And then that's the inventory. I don't know. Oh, there's an ant on me. Why are there always bugs and animals on me? Please. Okay, I thought I wasn't gonna be able to reach that. Thank God. Okay, man, that'll be enough for now. Okay, I have 4 minutes to make this because I can only make, I say this like every time, but I can only make 15-minute videos. And if this goes well, then I will make longer ones. I will pay for the extra, or I'll just find a video software that won't make me pay to do that. This looks nice for a starter house. We'll do that. Especially one that's made out of, like, one of my least favorite woods. Acacia. Wow, wait, did I just make exactly 64? That's awesome. Got my bed, I got everything. Okay, since I got like 64, I don't want to build it over by the flowers because I want to keep them. Okay, I'm very slow at building. Make this my front door. Oh my gosh, I keep on forgetting I have an axe. Just, gonna have to clear that area. Actually, that's fine for now. I'll do it later on. I didn't know you could hold that. I'm so newbie. No, I'm actually good at making houses, like design, but this is just gonna be a literal box. Actually makes me kind of mad because I never make box houses. It looks so bad. But still, it's all I got right now. Whoa, wait. Oh. I just heard my mom say, you were in study hall? What did you do wrong? Sometimes you go to study hall to study. Just saying. What? No! I'm gonna get your ink sacks. Beep. Okay, I'm just gonna steal your wood too while I'm at it because I'm being so mean. Stealing somebody's corpse pieces. Corpse bits. Okay, okay, I think that was it from that tree. Ooh, stick. Oh, that was dropped from the tree. I was like, what drops sticks? A tree, idiot. I think it's sticks and apples. It would be so cool if it, like, rarely dropped, like, golden apples. Oh, yes. Okay, 13. Let's see how much this gets me. I think that's almost enough. Stop dying. Oh, jeez. I'm not very good at saving people. I'm not good at much, really. Sad face. Oh, well, it looks like this is actually going to be the end of the video. I just checked the time. It's almost 15 minutes already. Jeez, sometimes 15 minutes doesn't really even feel like 15 minutes. I'm definitely going to make a video after this one because I want to keep on going. Alright, guys. Goodbye. I'm going to finish this up and then I'll make another video of it. Bye.